Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Dr. Blaze, and I'm going to walk you through this tutorial. And this tutorial, we are going to talk about the clipping mask. Clipping mask is very important when it comes to Photoshop. So, as a beginner, you need to understand the reason why you have to use a clipping mask. Now, when we are working with Photoshop, let's go for an example. Say we have this circle. I want to place an image within this circle. The only way I can do this, it's not the only way, but the best possible way you can do this is to use a clipping mask. Okay, so you go to this side, you pick your image, you bring this image to your background, and then start to work on it. As you can see, the image has covered the whole canvas. So what we need to do is we need to transform this image. So I'm going to press Ctrl T to transform this image. Okay, after transforming it, I will just bring the image to the side. But before you transform an image, for you not to lose the quality, you need to watch the video above, click on to watch about raster image. When you do this, what you are going to do is that you are going to reduce the pixels. So we don't want to do it that way. So let me reverse the action that I did. Okay, so go back. Then what we are going to do is we need to convert this one to a smart object. So smart object. With that one, we are going to still maintain our pixels. So I will press Ctrl T, then I will transform this image. Alright, after transforming the image, we have this. Then hit enter to apply the transformation. After hitting enter, we have to create the creepy mask. The first way you can create a creepy mask is using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Alt G. I'll press Ctrl Alt G, and you will see that we have our creeping mask. If you want to release the creeping mask, you press Ctrl Alt G again, and it will release the creeping mask. That is the first step. The second way you can use is using the keyboard together with the mouse. Okay, so the second way you can also create your creeping mask is by using the keyboard together with the mouse. Okay, so I will hold the Alt key, then I will position the mouse between the selected layer, and the layer beneath it. So here, I will place the mouse here, then I will click, and then I will apply the clipping mask. If I want to release, I will hold the Alt key again, then I will place the mouse in between this, then release. That is the best way you can do that. Another simple way you can do this is you right click on the selected layer, then you go to create clipping mask. Okay, so when you do that, you are going to get this one. Okay, if you want to release it, you right click again, then you choose release clipping mask. So these are the three basic ways you can apply clipping mask in Photoshop. Apart from you applying clipping mask to an object or to an image, there is an also important for you to always apply clipping mask when you are working with adjustment. Sometimes you want to apply adjustment a specific picture. So let's say I want to add a contrast and a hue to this image. I don't want it to affect this particular background. Okay, with that one, you need to use a clipping mask. So what I'm going to do is I'll just go to adjustment, then I'll go for hue and saturation. Let us do some little bit modification here. I'm going to change the hue. Okay, as you can see, the hue is now affecting both the background and then the image. We want to limit the effect to only the image. So I will come back to my layer, and then I will just follow the steps. I'll hold the Alt key, then G, and I've created my clipping mask, and you can see that it is only affecting only the image. Okay, if you don't want it that way, another way you can do this one is you just click on it again, and you will see that we have the sign here. Okay, so you click on this sign. This sign is telling you to clip this one to that particular layer beneath. So you click on it, and you are done. Boom, you are done. Okay, so this is all about clipping mask in Photoshop. Please do well subscribe to this channel. There are a lot of things we have for you on this channel. You can't miss it. We have a lot. We have a lot. The journey is not, we have not gone too far. Just subscribe, like, share, tell your friends who are willing We are going to take our time to explain everything to you. If you don't understand anything, just comment it and we will answer you within 24 hours. I love you. Stay connected with us on Photoshop. Bye bye.